When your child comes to you to tell you that some other person has scolded them, how do you respond? Do you say, "What did you do that they scolded you?" Or, "You must have done something wrong"? When we start with the blame, children don't open up, and we can't get through them. So instead, you can say, "Oh, really? That happened? You really seem upset. Do you want to tell me more? I wonder why that person did this. You can't tell me more about it." So at first, you just listen, explore, and empathize. And your children will come back to you the next time they need you. Leave a hat in the comment box if you agree.